is our moment. Feeling like it's everything we need. We could be